views off the front porch.
Mm-hmm.
What?
That was funny. What? Come this way with me. Over here wearing flip-flops. Yeah. Why?
Oh, I was just gonna say, so I think there's gonna be a lot of work to be done if this happens. So we'll see.
Okay. A lot of work would be an understatement, so interesting. Stop. Don't do that. It's not our house. Stop.
No, but I'm just
Stop.
checking the structural integrity.
Okay, stop.
I'm Jack,
I'm Kayla.
and this is our Prairie Farmhouse flip. Let's go.
We at Archer.
We're at the farmhouse.
Yeah, are we moving here? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah? Aspen.
We're moving to this farmhouse, and we're gonna paint it, and the Aspen and Archer and Mom and Dad are painting it, and he's gonna build, and we're moving this to his farmhouse.
Got it. Oh, can you pull that vacuum over here, please?
That
Yeah.
But this is a long day, so I will check you really out. And so this is really dirty. I can't even believe it. And this is gonna be a lot of work to work on this house today. And this is gonna be a lot of work to do. And I never seen it like we can do this together. We're just painting in a lot of walls, and so to you, I can't believe it. I can't look at you, so I love seeing us. Look at all those trees and stuff. All those trees are really beautiful. And I can't believe it. Wow. It is beautiful, honestly. Okay.
What are you doing, Aspen? You're painting?
And rolling with it.
With the roller? Nice.
And then we grow bigger. And we're trying to